This video tutorial offers an overview of the Strategy Runner platform with an emphasis on running fully automated trading strategies. Let's get started. Up here we have our contracts table, which shows all of the futures contracts that are currently available in our account. Right below we have our strategies table, which displays a list of the strategies that are currently enabled for trading. Here we have the Strategy Runner charting package, which reflects real-time data for each specific contract, as well as the trades placed on that contract by our strategies. On the right of the chart we have our working orders table, and right below it we have our completed orders table. Now, let's take an in-depth look at the strategies that are currently running in our account. We can see that these strategies have already placed trades. We see their current P&L, points, and position. Blue for a long position, red for a short position. The lot size that the strategies are currently trading can be determined right here. The lot size can be adjusted based on our requirements and according to our subscription on the Strategy Exchange website. In order to modify the lot size, we first need to stop the strategy. We highlight the relevant strategy and click on the Stop Strategy button up here. Once we confirm, our strategy status will change from running to stopped. Now we can click on the lot size and adjust it based on our requirements. Once we run the strategy again, it will trade in 3 lot increments. Let's do that right now. By clicking on the Run Strategy button, which looks like a play button, the status of the strategy will change from stopped to running. The next trade generated by the strategy will be a 3-lot trade. Each contract hosts its own set of strategies. All the strategies that are currently viewing are running on the Mini S&P contract. We know this because the Mini S&P contract is highlighted in our contracts table. Let's switch to the Mini Dow contract and view the strategies that are currently enabled for trading on it. We can see that there is one strategy currently running on the Mini Dow contract. It has traded, it's in a long position, and we can view our points and P&L. Back on the Mini S&P contract, we have multiple strategies already with positions. These positions are reflected directly on the chart, in our completed orders table, and also in the Orders tab, which will provide us with a complete overview of all trades placed by all the strategies. Back on the Chart tab, we can see that there are also pending orders in the Working Orders table associated with the different strategies. This means that these strategies have a profit target or a stop loss attached to them, and we can view these right here. When we open our Strategy Runner platform for the first time, the strategies do not appear in it. The reason being, the client or broker must manually activate the strategies when they wish to start receiving its signals in their account. In order to activate a strategy, we need to select the relevant contract and add the strategy to that contract. This can be done under the Strategies tab by selecting Add Strategy. Another option is to click on the Add Strategy icon, which looks like a plus button. This opens up a window with the available strategies for the specific contract. In this case, we only have one available strategy. We need to select it and add it to our portfolio. When done, it will appear under the Strategies table. In order to start receiving signals, we also need to run the strategy. We have done this before. We can click on the Run Strategy Play button, and the strategy status will change from stop to running. From this point onwards, every trade generated by this strategy will be auto-executed in our account. We can monitor multiple contracts on our platform and also manage each and every strategy under these contracts. The strategy's results as they appear on the platform reflect their daily performance. In order to review the strategy's performance for previous days, we can look at our account report. Simply click on the Account tab and select Account Report. The account report displays every single trade, both manually and by our strategies, that was placed on our account since it was first set up. These are today's results. As we can see, not all strategies have traded today, but the ones that have are reflected here. We can scroll back to yesterday's results. Our account status will show us the opening cash balance of the account, the total P&L for the day, and once again we're looking at yesterday's results, and of course each specific strategy's performance. We can use the calendar to select a specific date. For more information, we recommend you take a look at the additional video tutorials that are available for the various features and functions of the Strategy Runner platform. Thank you.